Want me to stay, just tell me to stay. Hello, baby, you had me like hello. From the start, we were together like Jello. Fall apart, we can never fall apart. Cause all the love that you give me is driving me crazy, I'm falling apart. Baby, where do we go from here? Where do we go on my day? I feel when your love is near. You said that you care for me.
Hey guys, so I'm in Best Buy right now and I'm contemplating because I don't know what the heck camera to get because I'm trying to bring out better quality, you know, type shit. So we're in Best Buy right now and I don't know what the fuck. I don't know which camera, like. And then this fucking nigga Mike is with me and he not even helping me. What the fuck? I don't know what to get. So let's go to Mike. Let's go to this motherfucker. What are you doing? Baby, tell the truth, baby, tell the truth, baby, tell the truth. You can't be fighting in public. This nigga got the music blasted on the speaker. Anyways, back to the cameras. So
Jimmy on the beat, boy.
this one? Alright, so I'm gonna do this one, guys. So guys, I'm getting the camera, you know, type shit. Huh? No, not that. No, it wasn't, bro. It was the one by the windows, by the windows.
Most of them. Shut up.
This is shit.
Shut up. You just like ugly. Oh, fuck.
I fucking hate you. But yeah, so we waiting on the camera. I got the one with 2 lens. You know the vibes. I was gonna get this, but I don't think I need a tripod because I got a ring light and yeah, that's all I need. And I'm tight because they don't got the speaker. So now
Leave that shit wobbling.
it's like man annoying. I'm gonna see if they have a speaker at Target. Alright guys, so we're walking out the store now. Alright guys, so I got my camera. That shit. So I'm not making no I'm not making no more purchases today. That was a big purchase. So you know type shit. Gotta go back to Target type shit.
We're not taking the Uber back home?
I said I'm not making no more purchases.
Alright, so where you going, nigga?
To Target!
Why?
To get the shit from my dad. He's giving me the money right back. What the heck? I swear, bro, we argue like 10,000 times a day. 10,000.
You just fucking wasted my fucking bet, 20,000, bro.
20,000. Yeah, I spent
20,000, bro.
I spent 20,000 on my camera, yo.
His bet, bro.
His bed, yeah. I'm not putting that shit back.
20,000, Johnny.
And I'm not putting the money back.
Fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, so Mike just treated me to a camera, you know, type shit. He said I should get it for my YouTube.
20,000, bro.
He said I should get it for my camera, for my YouTube. So, yeah, type shit. How you feeling, Mike? So much, bro. What time is it? I'm back. You got Bath and Beyond right now. I think I need a mirror for my room. I'm not feeling these.
Bro, let's go, bro. No mirror. Let's go. We got a mirror downstairs, bro, in your house, bro. Come on,
What are you talking about, bro?
Nobody's clearing this fucking shit down.
We're taking Uber. We're taking Uber.
Move, I don't.
Alright, anyways, so I don't know where my face is. So I'm waiting on my Uber right now to go back home. I'm excited to show you guys my new camera. So you guys are gonna see. And you know what I mean? You know what I mean? This mask is so annoying, bro. Like, I can't wear this shit. Like, people who work and have to wear masks all day, I really compliment y'all, because, bro, I cannot wear this shit for like 2 seconds. Like, I be feeling like I'm about to faint or some shit. Wanna say something, Mike? You got something to say? You gotta say, Mike?
Check my cup.
Alright, he's always with the bad lingo, so yeah, my Uber's about to come, so talk to you guys later. I'm going back home, you know. Yo, I'm excited. Let's hold it between my legs. I think I should put this on my bed. What's up? Oh, you just put something there. Anyways, so see you guys when I get back home. Hey, Jaja London TV, get it. Jaja London TV. So I know you guys haven't seen me in dumb long, like dumb long. Like I don't even remember when was the last time I filmed a video. I just know that I'm back and I'm better. So your girl got the Canon M50. You know that your girl is up and running. Here we have the Canon EOS M50. It's the mirrorless. I don't really know what mirrorless means, but I looked it up and it says like it basically doesn't transfer the light from here to the viewfinder. But this one has a viewfinder, so I don't know what they're talking about. But I guess like the DSLR cameras is like way better. Like this is just a starter camera because you know like I'm not really up to it yet, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. Period. Manifesting. Manifest. Baby girl. Really stop. And this microphone, like Best Buy, they ran out of microphones. So basically, I had this microphone from my iPhone tripod that I had. So I just transferred it onto here. And yeah, and then this is the lens. I had got the two. Yikes. I got the 2-lens camera. Because Best Buy, yeah, it was sold out of like the regular one with just 1 lens. So I had to get the 2 lens, which was more money, and like pay me. Like this was actually a band because I had to get warranty. And then I got SD card. But this is only like $20-something. When you get the camera, it doesn't come with the lens attached to it. I don't even know how to take off this lens. But I had to learn the techniques of this camera because I really do not know anything about this camera right now. Like, I'm not even capping. Like, I don't even know how to use it. I don't know. But anyways, I'm supposed to be doing like a mini unboxing, but you know, I already like unboxed it. So yeah, it comes with this lens, and then it came with another lens. This, basically, I think it's like a bigger one for like when you take pictures and stuff. So this is like the bigger lens, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's a 55 to 200 milliliter, and this one is the 15 to 45. So yeah, this is way bigger. The battery and the charger. So basically, I tried to charge the battery, but it's not fully charged. It's like charged. I guess it's charged. But yeah, we about to put this bad boy in. Right. So we have to put this bad boy in. So this is the charger port. Basically just open it like this. Just open it. Let's just put this down a little bit so I can show you guys the camera. And then make sure that this part is on the bottom. And you just align it. And make sure that part fits. And then you just put it, pop it right in. And then also I'm gonna put the SD card. And then I think to put the SD card into the same place as the battery. So just pop that in. And close the part. Click it back. We're about to turn it on for the first time. Come on, I'm not doing this tripod. Alright, so we about to turn it on for the first time, baby. Oh, baby, first time. Oh. Alright, so this is the on button right here. So we press on. I'm hyped. No, I'm really hyped. Like, now it's asking me to put like the date and time and stuff. So I'm about to do that while I'm on the video with you guys. Cause you know the wait, is it touchscreen? Oh, mama rocks. This is touchscreen. Alright, what's today's date? What the hell, bro? He's not letting me change this. Oh, it's not all the way touchscreen. Like I still gotta use the buttons. Alright, today's date is 6. It's the 6th. No, it's the 7th month. Yeah, because August is the 8th month. Okay, so the 7th month. It's the. What's today's date? It's the 15th, so it's the 16th today because I'm filming this video like dumb late, like 12. So it's the 16th today. The 16th. It's 2020. Disastrous month. I mean, disastrous year, yo. Like, come on, son. Like, I don't know what this one's for, but yeah. And it says time zone. I'm definitely not in London. Definitely not in London. I'm in New York. New York. Take you, Biggie. Alright, so press OK. Cause I'm in New York. Cause they kill Biggie. You know the vibes. And press OK. And then, oh, Bambara, supply fact. Oh, yo, why you? Alright, how you snap a picture? I think it's like this. I'm gonna snap a picture of me like doing a YouTube. But why does it keep going dark? Let's do it. Oh, mama. How you go back to photo? Find the button. Yeah, I found the button. It's this one right. It's this button right here to go back. But this is the picture I took, babe. This shit is banging. This shit is banging. This shit is banging. But yeah, guys, that completes my little mini vlog / unboxing my camera for the first time and the vibes. So yeah, guys. So I got a camera now. So y'all already know the vibes. I'm shooting out videos like I'm shooting out mad videos. I'm telling you, once I get the hang of this camera, I'm really shooting out mad videos. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys liked Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Because you know the vibes. And you want to be a part of this production. Because that's on what? That's on period. So, yeah, bye.
I'm a blast cause it's time to get this cash. She gon' tell me come if I bring you, you go last. I hit from the back and she said I'm fantastic. Have her doing tricks, put your feelings in the